Does he go past Bulls Gap? I don't know.
I don't know.
Or past Briscoe?
I literally don't know anything about.
Knowing that there's a train right there.
Cool. Well, we're headed back in towards Frisco off 11W now. I'm gonna stop right here so he doesn't block this crossing. If you want.
Needs to like go beyond the east end to back into second cut. But I don't know. Be interesting to see.
Yeah, we'll find out.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and K-Train left Shelby 45 minutes ago or so. Billy said he was by Marrowbone like 20 minutes ago, so he'll probably be like.
Yeah. Yeah, like I was saying, I don't know how much interest you have in it, but one of these days, probably in the fall, I'd like to go out around Harlan, Kentucky area, which is like the heart of coal country for CSX, and just go and document all the different coal loadouts that there are in the area.
Yeah, that'd be cool. I'd like to go. I mean, this is neat here. I've never been here.
Man, you're easily impressed, and that bodes well for me.
This is a odd town because it's got a lot of Utah town names, unless people from here move to Utah.
Yeah, you know, I noticed that too, like Weber City.
Weber and Heber.
Yeah.
Like that sounded like that was her plan.
And then it sounded like they kept saying something about 15 cars over there, so I guess they initially wanted to take back 15 cars from you. Who the hell it is?
Fascinating. But, right, I mean, unless something else happens, it sounds like we'll just leave this guy here and that's the CSX stuff.
I'm pretty sure the conductor just told the engineer, I'll sit here all day.
Well,
So...
they sat for like 3 hours at Big Stone Gap. It's pretty sad, these guys.
Our CSX guys stopped back there.
Okay.
Because there's an NS guy up here who had to double the hill and is kind of in the way.
He's been there for like a while though, right?
Yeah, he has.
Too late to get a taxi now, so Carly is coming to pick you up.
they're hiring out of Roanoke right now?
Mm-hmm.
That's,
just to get furloughed, probably.
yeah, that's what I was thinking. I mean, surely to goodness they got,
Yeah.
you know, a couple dozen furloughed people. I guess just none of them want to come back. I don't know.
Yeah. Probably because they've gotten other jobs. I'm gonna go tell that dude. I feel you, buddy.
Yeah.
Every single damn day. You don't deserve to be talked to that bad. Not at all.
Career and clear, stay good 20.
The problem is too, like half these dispatchers don't even know where because they're just. Yeah, this was an interesting little town. I think that sign's big enough for that Long John Silver's.
Could be bigger.
I mean, this is like just a little bitty street, and that sign is like 100 feet up.
Yeah, but it caught your attention, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. I guess it worked.
Here we go. Getting into the pals. You're about to eat at a Southwest Virginia staple. Look at this. The cars are literally piling out of the lot and into the street.
Pal Sudden Service.
Yeah, they're supposed to be quick too. Guess I'll give these people some room to, you know, inch around.
Main to the side, couple to train.
That's right. You think you'll be all right making it back to Andover?
Did you get us a ride?
Say what now?
Did you get us a ride, or you want us to? What do you want us to do?
I thought we were trying to make it back to Andover when we talked earlier.
Oh well, we got to 8 o'clock. We dog at 8.
I'm aware of that. Do you think you'll be able to make it back or not?
No. No, we got 8 mile or so, a 10 mile an hour. It takes us about 45 minutes just to get across it.
Okay, well, I guess I'll get in a taxi. I thought you would have mentioned that earlier if you didn't think you could make it back.
You confused me because I really thought that we was leaving the train here in its entirety.
No, I'm pretty sure I said go back later.
Yeah, you said go back light with 15 cars on the main line over yonder.
I said it again after we said double it up and put it in at Watkins, but it's neither here nor there now, I guess.
Okay, well, I'll apologize. I guess I missed the cue there. If I've been a problem to you here today, I'm sorry.
Not a problem.
Welcome to the Daniel Boone Heritage Trail.
This town has a roadside table, so there's some people using it. A good idea. But now I feel kind of bad because I ate what I did. No.
This may or may not end up being a usable car. But at the very least, it's a cool thing to experience. I'm going to step aside and fix this.
Okay. Neat.
I know we're going to be a little bit later than we had intended, but was it worth it for the tunnel?
Yeah. It's a lot bigger than I thought.
Yeah, it's frankly even, I think, more impressive from the other side. Hence why they put the park on the other side. It's just a shame because it's so hard to get green.
Hey, you good yet?
Yeah.
Are you on your way?
Yeah, we are just leaving Gate City.